and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. Alrighty guys, as you guys could already tell from the title, we are gonna be doing another unboxing. It's a pretty sad time for us Chanel lovers out there because, as some of you may already know or heard, there is gonna be another price increase coming soon. I believe it already happened in Europe or Australia, correct me if I'm wrong, and the price increase, guys, it's pretty big. Definitely a lot more compared to their last increase in November, and a lot of people are, you know, panic buying. And imagine if it's a conspiracy, guys, like the toilet paper. Oh my goodness. And we didn't even get to get our hands on some of the toilet paper when everyone was going crazy. So at least with the Chanel, even though it's not a must, I was able to get my hands on it before the price increase. And it's really sad because they really had to do it right now when a lot of people can get access to, you know, a sales associate. Some people have been saving up for these bags, and to find out that they are raising the price during this time, it's just, I find it really ridiculous. Also, it's not a small amount, it's a huge amount, guys. I don't know, I mean, I know a lot of people out there are still gonna be buying Chanel, but you have to really think about it now. Before, like, oh my god, I like it, but now every time I purchase a Chanel bag, I have to be really mindful about it. I have to really love it, you know, before purchasing anything from them, because it's really getting up there. The price is getting ridiculous. But I am a Chanel fan, so I can't say I won't be purchasing from them anymore. But yeah, it'll definitely make me think harder whenever I purchase another bag from them. Also, I forgot to mention, Louis Vuitton also just did a price increase on May 5th. For them to do the increase during this time, I think it's unfair for all of us consumers. When I heard that, I was pretty disappointed as well, because I believe this is their third time doing price increase within this year, guys, and I thought that was just ridiculous. But you know, nothing compared to the increase that's gonna happen with Chanel. I believe it ranges from 7 to 17% or more, and that's a lot. From what I heard, guys, the minis are gonna be the most affected by the price increase. I believe it's gonna go up about 25%, and that's pretty big in my opinion. Right now, it's currently selling for $3,500, but after the price increase, it's definitely gonna be more than $4,000. Yeah, that's pretty ridiculous in my opinion. What do you guys think about this price increase? Let me know down below, and let's have a conversation about it. You know, let me know what you're feeling, your thoughts about the situation right now. But yeah, let's get started with the unboxing. It's gonna be inside this paper bag right here. Of course, you have the carnelian or camellia. I'm talking about the Van Cleef. But I'm gonna go ahead and just take out the paper bag. And it's getting dark outside already, guys, so I'm gonna kind of speed this up a little bit. But this is what the box looks like. You have the camellia there. Let me just unbox this because I have been wanting to get this color, guys. I just don't like the box because, you know, as you can see, my handprint like stays on there. But yeah, this is what that looks like inside. I'm gonna try not ruining the paper. A lot of people are actually panic buying right now, so I'm pretty excited that I was able to get my hands on this. Even, you know, the ugly colors, people are buying because they're really afraid of, you know, the price increase. I can see why other people are like panicking. You guys could probably already tell that it is gonna be a classic bag because of the dust bag. You have, you know, the booklet, the care booklet inside. I'm gonna put this aside. Guys, are you ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show this to you guys. Oh, I got the medium classic bag in the Tiffany blue color. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna ruin this, guys, because it's taking longer Oh my gosh, I've been wanting this color for the longest time, guys. I believe they also came out with this color last year, but that's what it looks like. Let me show you guys a close-up of this bag. This is from the 20C collection, by the way, if you are interested in knowing. It is in the caviar leather. You have the Turnlock CC there. It has the sticker on it still. This is what it looks like on this side. The back, you have the Mona Lisa pocket. And the other side. And this is what it looks like on the bottom. And by the way, this is in the medium size. This is what the chain looks like. I got it in the champagne hardware. So when you open it, you just want to twist it. This is what it looks inside. All the classic has double flap. You have the zipper pocket in here. Coco Chanel puts all her love letter inside there. That's really cute, I think. And then you have the other flap with the CC logo. This is what it looks like inside. You have 3 compartments, actually 4, because including this one. You can put your lipstick in the middle, but that's what it looks like. This is the authenticity card. I just took it off, or took it out, and it's really cute, guys. I can't wait to use this, hopefully soon. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this like this, or just with one chain. I did try using this as a crossbody bag, but it didn't work out for me. I am about 5'3", and this one sits just below my chest, and I thought it looked funny, so I wouldn't recommend it if you are, you know, the same size or same height as me. But yeah, that's what it looks like, guys. Also, if you want to know the product number, this is what it is. That's pretty much it for the unboxing today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.